Nice.
Back again to my channel Ruangtabroni. This time, we will draw Mr. Gibran Rakabuming Raka. Gibran Rakabuming Raka. Draw an image slowly to get maximum results. Starting from line by line in certain parts. Gibran Rakabuming Raka. If this video is too fast, friends can pause this video for a moment, then repeat it. Draw from the easiest part first. Gibran Rakabuming Raka. Cut off the lines that are not needed. Color the image to make it look more real. Gibran Rakabuming Raka. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this content. The video created has been completed. If you have finished, please try repeating again for maximum results. Thank you.